Ladies and gentlemen, as we proceed to give you what you need, allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Cody, and today we are here for another sneaker unboxing. Today, we are taking a look at the Jordan 6 DMPs. This shoe is the first retro of the Defining Moments pack that dropped in 2006. That pack included this Jordan 6 as well as a similar color Jordan 11. Now, the purpose of this pack was to commemorate the first seasons of both of the Bulls' respective three-peats in their 1991 and 1996 championship runs. 14 years later, after the release of the original, Jordan Brand has re-released one half of this prestigious pack. There's still no word whether or not the second half, the Jordan 11, will be retroing as well. Some people are speculating that it will come later this year, but as of now, that is purely speculation. These DMP Jordan 6s share many similarities with the infrared 6s. For most part, this shoe just replaces the infrared color with a bright, bold gold color to symbolize that championship win. Specifically looking at the quality of these and the infrared retro 6s that came out last year, I think the quality is a little bit better on these just because they feel more premium as far as the materials go and the boldness of the little details like the Jumpman on the tongue and the heel tab spoiler. The official color breakdown on the box starts with black, which we see covering just about the entirety of the shoe. It's made up of a suede material, so definitely don't wear these out in the rain if you don't want to mess up your sneakers. The hits of metallic gold can be seen on the Jumpman logo on the tongue and the lace locks on the midsole trim, the spoiler pull tab on the heel, and the 23 underneath the black Jumpman on the heel. I know the original pack had this logo, the Jumpman logo, but I'm such a sucker for the classic Nike Air logo. I kind of wish they put that on the shoe in a bright gold. I thought that would take this sneaker to the next level, but in my opinion, it's unfortunate that they included the Jumpman logo on the heel, but the 23 on the bottom kind of makes up for it. It's kind of a cool detail that not many other Jordan 6s have. The shoe also came with a gold dog tag style hang tag. You all already know that I'm going to be rocking that on my backpack. Now, it is not included in the official color breakdown on the box, but we cannot forget the Icy Bottoms on the outsole. In my opinion, the Jordan 6 has one of the best aesthetically designed outsoles. The bottoms of the shoe, complete with the Jumpman and the Icy Bottoms, are just one of the prettiest in the Jordan lineup. What do you think of these shoes? Did you pick them up? Did you pass on these? What shoes are you looking forward to pick up in May? Let me know all of this and more in the comment section down below. And remember to subscribe because we have more unboxing videos coming up very soon. So thank you for coming out to this one, and I hope to see you for the next one.